In this video, I will show you how to import from China to African countries like Nigeria, Angola, Cote d'Ivoire, Tanzania, Mali, Cameroon, Togo, and Niger Republic with YITOO Chinese Shopping App. So let's see. You can easily get YITOO Chinese Shopping App on Google Play Store if you are using Android phone, or if you are using iPhone, you can go straight to your App Store and download YITOO Shopping App and get started with importing from China to any part of African country. The first thing you need to understand as far as YITOO app is concerned is how to get the app and what are the features you can derive from using YITOO Shopping App to ship from China to African countries. So if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to simply head over to your Google Play Store. Okay, so right here, I'm going to head over to my Play Store. Then having opened up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to simply go to Search App. On getting to Search App, next thing you need to do is to type in YITOO App. Then click on Search. YITOO App. So you can see it right here. YITOO App. Then it's going to load up this page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on YITOO Wholesale Market. Just like so. So as at the time of making this video, over 50,000 people have successfully downloaded and used this app to ship from China to African countries like Nigeria, Mali, Congo, Cameroon, and Niger Republic. Okay. Some of the important features on using YITOO Shopping App right here is that it is a very safe and secure to make a purchase of goods from any manufacturer from China to any African country. And another great features about YITOO Shopping App is that there are a large number of products that you can shop from different suppliers across China using this particular app. Okay. And also you can contact factory direct to get great price of any product from different types of supplier direct from factory from China. Another great thing about YITOO Shopping App here is that it allows multi-language. This simply means that once you download the app, install it on your Android phone or your iPhone, you can simply translate to whatever language of your choice and start placing order from different manufacturer, different supplier from China and ship to any African country. Another great features about using YITOO Shopping App to shop from China is offline service. And this offline service section here gives you the opportunity to their free inspection service. What this simply means is that when you place an order on YITOO Shopping App and the supplier send the item to the warehouse in China, they will inspect the item. There is no case of what I buy versus what I order. So this app here, they will do thorough inspection of the quality and inspection of the quantity of the item. So what you buy is exactly what you are getting if you use YITOO Shopping App to import from China. And another great thing about YITOO Shopping App is that your payments are very much secure, no scam zone. And another great thing about using YITOO Shopping App is the fact that when you use this YITOO Shopping App, you have free service of consolidated of your parcel. This simply means that if you buy from different supplier and your item arrives to their warehouse in China, they will consolidate. They can even remove the carton of your item just to reduce the weight of the item. These are all great features that you can get from using YITOO Shopping App. And the payment here is seamlessly, very easy and smoothly on the app. You pay direct to the Chinese supplier, no middleman as far as YITOO Shopping App is concerned. So let's quickly go back to the home page of the app. If you have not yet downloaded the app and you really want to import from China to any part of African country like Nigeria, Mali, Congo, Niger Republic, Cameroon, etc., consider using YITOO Shopping Wholesale Market. So if you have not yet downloaded the app, what you need to do right away, if you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider click on install button right here, get the app download, create a free account, then start making purchase with your YITOO Shopping App. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And if you have any question for me as far as YITOO Shopping Wholesale Market app is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And also, I'm going to put the download link in the description of this video. Check the description of this video for Android and an iPhone version of YITOO Shopping App.